Hey, it's Greg with Copper Mark. We're out here doing a re-inspection on the State Farm claim. The State Farm adjuster was out here yesterday. You can see his tiny white marks here on the roof. Looks like it says wind equals 0 and hail equals 0. And I would admit there's not a whole lot of hail on this roof, if any, but we do have so much wind damage, it's unreal. All of these delaminated seal strips are a problem. Something violently pulled them up. It wasn't just by chance that they're like that. We've got wind-driven debris marks here. Last August, in this area, we had 105-mile-an-hour wind bursts, sustained miles of 95 miles per hour. Excuse me, going up to 105 miles per hour. Anything can be flying through the air at that point. So I don't know what hit this roof. I'm not saying that's a large hail ball, but it could be a tree branch, it could be a rock, it could be anything. We weren't standing here to know that. But from our calculation here on this front slope, you can see the adjuster decided there's zero wind up here. Now, why would he do that? We stopped counting at 47. So obviously there's something going on this roof. We've got missing tabs here. I would find it hard to say that nothing has happened to this roof system.